So when we're looking at the transverse abdominals, one of my favorite exercises to really strengthen the transverse abdominals is an articulating bridge. And the cool thing about the bridge is that this can also start to activate the glutes as a part of the core. So I'll show you guys what this looks like. So you're going to be lying down on your back. As we start here, we want you in a neutral pelvis position. And what that means is that your pubic bone and your hip bones are flat. So we're not tilted one way and we're not tilted the other way. It is just neutral. So from here, I'm going to bring my hands towards my chest, but you can have your arms down by your side. I'm going to inhale, exhale, drive my belly button into my spine, and hold that contraction as I slowly peel my spine off the ground, one vertebra at a time. When I'm at the top here, my glutes are contracted, my rib cage is down, my core is engaged, and my erector spinae is also engaged. From here, I'm going to inhale, exhale, and I'll slowly drop my rib cage first. And I'm really trying to push each piece of my vertebra down into the mat, which naturally helps me to engage my transverse abdominals. So again, this is what it looks like all the way through. I'm going to inhale, exhale, pulling my rib cage down, drawing my belly button into my spine, articulating my spine up one vertebra at a time, inhaling at the top, exhale, really using my breath to pull my belly button deep in towards my spine and let my hips roll all the way back down to neutral. This exercise you only need to do about 5 times. It is very effective and it's also very helpful for spinal health. So again, anyone can do this exercise, but if you ever have any pain, we want you to stop completely. So if you do have any previous injuries, you're going to want to take care of those before you start doing anything that might feel uncomfortable.